The FlyHighYoga belt is easy to install and to carry around. You can hang your belt from a pull-up bar, from ceiling hooks properly installed, from a branch of a tree, from a metal frame in your gym or playground. Remember to place it at hip distance. On each end of the belt you'll be able to find a loop. The loop of the belt is fixed on your desired support and secured with the provided wooden blocks. The belt is adjustable so that you can always decide the appropriate height for safe exit and entry. In fact, by changing the position of your blocks up or down, you can change the length of your belt for the intended height. If you wish to hang your belt from a distance higher than 1.9 meters, you must use the extensions provided in your belt package. Follow the same procedures for safe installment with the extensions. Always make sure your wooden blocks are fixed on the same height to provide comfort and correct installation. Now, enjoy your practice, fitness routine, or spine lengthening.